Advent calendar starts now! So it's December 1st, 2023. Yeah.
Okay.
So the girls are very happy to do their traditional Advent calendar. Yan. So December 1 ngayon, 2023. So ayan ang mga girls ko. They are happy to do this yearly. Yan, countdown. So today is December 1. So day 1 ang hahanapin nila. Number 1. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Put that one in front. And close your eyes. And then mommy will count. And then you flip. And then you find it. Okay? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.
Ayan, nahanap ka agad. Who win?
We have to guess.
Who win? Who win?
We have to guess which one.
Oh yeah, okay.
Okay, guess.
I think
Okay.
that'll be my favorite. The double milk balls.
Okay, ito daw yung favorite. Ikaw, what about you, Dexa? Dexa, what about you? Kung yun ang na-guess ni ate. Ito daw ang na-guess ni ate. Ikaw, ito, si Teddy Friends. Okay, open, open, open! Surprise!
I was right.
Ate win this time! Ate win in guessing the chocolates, but Dexa win when saan yung first? Kasi tiningnan na niya. Nag-sneak yan, nag-sneak yan, oh.
So yung favorite.
Ito naman ang favorite daw nito, oh. So, can I have the chocolate too? Oh, that's yummy! Tingnan mo. Ito yung nakuha nila this day. So, ito daw yung laman niya. Ayan. So, akin na to. Sige, Dexa. Come on, let's eat! Okay. Abangan natin tomorrow ulit. Bye! Day 2. So, ayan, day 2 ng mga bata sa kanilang... What's that? Dexa, what's that?
Advent calendar.
Sabay pa sila. Okay, so, nakataob yan. So, you will look for number 2. And guess. Number 2 muna. And then mamaya, guess nyo kung anong laman ng chocolate. Ready, steady, go! Saan? Dapat itago ko na to tomorrow, Dexa. Promise. Nasaan? Number 2. So, ito. So, ito number 2, ate.
Wait. Number 3 is. I already know what number 3 is.
Okay, number 2. So, ang ano dyan, ang mahirap dyan, Dexa, yung guess kung ano yung chocolate na meron siya. Okay.
I guess it's gonna be this.
Okay, so saan ate sa'yo? So, ito daw ang hula ni Dexa. What about you, Dexa? Ay, ni Dexy? So, that's Dexy's hula. And then, what do you think? Okay, ayan na naman. So, kahapon, na-frustrate si Dexa kasi yan ang kanyang pinili. So, okay, open, open! Open, open tayo, guys! Sino kaya ang manalo ngayon? Kasi kahapon, ang nanalo si ate.
Nobody.
Oh! Nobody! Kasi, ganito na chocolate siya ngayon. It's Lindor. What about you, Dexa? Sige, oh. So, yan ang laman. Ang sarap. Yeah, it's dark.
No,
It's
it's not.
chocolate only. Yan.
Chocolate.
Yan ang laman niya. Yan ang laman! So, yan. We will go to day 3 tomorrow, guys. Bye! Day 3! Day 3! So, ayan.
I'm gonna find it like 1 second.
Okay. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Found it.
Sino nauna? Dexa na naman ang nauna kasi lagi niya yan i-sneak yan. Okay, so ang nagkakatalo lang kayo ni ate mo kung anong candy siya. So, ilang beses nang sino nakahula? Wala sa inyo.
Isa
Nahulaan mo ba yung first one? The second one?
Zero.
Okay. Sige, 1 ang score ni ate, 0 si Dexa. So, Dexa, ano na? Hula time na.
No, you first.
So, ate, ito yung kay ate. Oh, nakalabas na yung kahapon na.
No, iba ito yung kahapon.
Okay, ikaw ay, ito, Dexy. Dexa, ito.
What size it is?
Ano? Sige.
See what size it is.
So, anong what size?
Anong dyan yung candy niya sa likod?
Hindi, yan yung huhulaan nila yung likod, kung anong itsura. Depende sa, kung minsan, kahit yung itsura niya, dun sa ano niya, okay. Okay, ganun pa din. Grabe yung bet mo dyan, pangatlong araw na. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, go! Ayan na.
Nobody.
Okay, go ahead.
Nobody, right?
Yung
Ay!
pili ko yesterday dito.
Ay!
It's okay.
O, wag na muna kainin. O, kakainin niya na. So, you want to eat na?
Na.
Okay, go. So, where? Number 3. Okay, number 3 for Dexa. So, ayan, ano itsura niya? Patingin.
Huwag ka muna i-open.
Ayan. Okay, ayaw daw
Select
nilang
sa
i-open. You want to eat na?
Is it dark chocolate or like?
I don't know.
Okay. So, abangan natin ang day 4, December 4, tomorrow. Okay, December 4. So, ayan. Gawin ng mga bata yung...
Stop looking. Oy,
So, yeah.
Tinignan niyo na saan.
May nag-sneak, guys, sa December 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! O yan, December 4. Lagi na tong si Dexa, lagi siya nag-sneak.
Alright, what do you think today?
Okay, so what do you think it is? Yan, dyan tayo Diyan tayo nagkakaalaman sa what do you think it is. So, ganito itsura niya.
It's gonna be this.
Yeah. So, ito daw yung kay Dexy.
Wait, actually.
Okay, ano ba? Ito o ito?
Remember you said only one guess.
Okay. O, yan da kay ate. O, ikaw.
Only one guess.
Yeah, that's
Okay, go. What about you? Ikaw, mag-guess ka. So, yan na. Ang favorite niya, gustong-gusto niya kunin to. Okay. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oop. Nanalo si... Sino?
Dexa.
Dexa! Yay!
I win 2 times. Now we have
Ang cute! So, ganitong dalawang ganito ang nakuha ng mga
2
bata.
points.
Ayan.
I have 2 points.
Ang cute nga naman. Okay. So, we're going to the December 5. So, ayan. Sino makakahula kaya? December 5. Tinignan na kaagad ni Dexa. Hindi na nagpakundangan. So, sige. So, hula na guys. Hula. Okay. So, hulaan nyo na lang. So, December 5 sila ngayon.
I think it's gonna be...
Okay, hula na. Hula. Okay, eto kay Dexy. Dexa, what about you?
Wait.
Ayan. Ano na December 5 mo? Come on. So, tapos ka na dito, Dexa. May ganyan pa ba? Last year, maraming ganyan eh. So, December 5, ito siya. Where's December 5? Ito. Ay, mukhang mahaba siya, guys. Hindi ata. Ay, same yan. Kay ate, yan na yun eh. So, you cannot...
Teddy.
Okay, the teddy, the big one. Hindi, kay ate din yan eh. One, who choose first? Okay, go ahead. Okay, Dexa. Okay, Teddy. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Mukhang tumama ka ngayon. 2/1. Nagkapatingin nga anak ka yan. Oh, yan naman na nakuha nila sa December 5. Ang cute nga. Ayan, ang December 5 na mga kids. Yan. Okay, abangan natin ang December 6. So, ito nakuha nila December 5.
Hello guys, it's December 6.
6. Yay! So, today, bubuksan na naman ng mga bata ang December 6. 6. So, ayan. Sino kaya ang nakakita na una? Nakaharap na kay Dexa? So, should I say na sino manalo o hindi?
I don't know which one
Sige na. I-zipper mo mabuti yan, Dexa, yung ano mo, elf shirt mo.
I only looked at these ones.
Okay, so sino nakakita? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sige na nga, nanalo na nga itong bulinggit na to. Itong maliit na to. Yan, sige. And then, magkakaalaman tayo sa hula. So,
It's gonna be the snowman.
okay. Kay ate naman daw. Ano sa'yo, ate?
Snowman.
Gonna be snowman kay ate.
What do you
What
think,
else?
Dexa?
Kay ate daw to. Ikaw? Dexa, what else? Sa'yo naman, Dexa, ano? Oh. No duplication, please.
What do you think?
Ano? Okay. Uy! Mukhang masarap yung napili ni Dexa. So, ang pinili ni Dexa is this one. Yan.
I think that much.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Walang
At least we can have noise.
No, walang nakahula. Oh, no. Oh, no, no, no. Okay, the score is 2 and 1. Okay? Okay, so December 7 na tayo ngayon, guys. Nakita ko nasaan na. Pero tingnan natin kung alam ni Dexa kung nasaan. Okay, ready, Dexa? Go there to your place. It's December 7, Dexa. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7, 7, 7. Nasa?
Wait, I want to count down.
Okay.
I want to count.
Okay, ready, ready. Okay. Okay, sige, napagbigyan natin siya. Okay, ready. Okay, ikaw na mag-count. Ikaw na mag-count. Okay, we're vlogging this, Dexa. Ikaw na mag-count din. Okay, ready. Okay, yung 8 mamaya, ikaw mag-count. Okay? O, sige na. O, hulaan na, hulaan. 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 Yun ang count natin. Yun ang ating, yun ang ating points. Yung hulaan mo. Okay? So, hanulaan mo.
It's gonna be
Ikaw, anong hula mo?
this one.
Iyan yung nakuha nyo, hindi ba? Mga candies. Okay. Yung balls kay
What do you
ate.
think, Dexa?
Ingay ko tuloy.
It's right here.
Okay. Ano sa tingin mo,
What do you
Dexa? Hulaan mo sa likod. Ano dyan?
What do you think?
It's still the candy or Lindor? Again.
What do you want? Think.
Okay.
What?
Saan?
Which one?
Saan?
Which one?
So, asan ang hula ni ate? Itong hula ni ate. Yung balls na to. Si Dexa naman, hula niya din ang balls. Hindi kayo pwede magpareho. Sige na. O, yan ang hula niya. Ito daw. Ito, yung puti. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ano kaya ang December 7? I'm excited. Oop.
Nobody.
Ako.
Ha?
I wanted it.
Saan?
I wanted it.
Okay, here. Ayan! So, I think ate win this time. So, same 2 kayo. 2 and 2. Okay?
You can count
So, we go to December
8.
8. So, yan. So, Dexa first. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, count.
Okay.
Go ahead, count. Hoy, mag-count ka na.
Okay. Nakita mo na? Okay. Sige na, mag-count ka muna
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, 10. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Where's 8? Saan, Dexa? Did you found it, Dexa? Saan? December 8. May umalis na elf. Hindi nakita ni elf.
Oopsies, I got December.
Oh, mali si ate.
Inside. Look.
So,
this one.
mag-guess
What do you
na
think's
ulit
inside?
sila kung
What do you think's inside, Dexa?
ano
I
yung
think-
laman.
Dexa, what do you think's inside?
So Dexa will be the one to first to
Guess. What do you want?
guess.
What do you think?
Yeah. Kasi Di niya alam kung ano. Anong hula mo, Dexa? So, ito yung shape niya. Oh, so, si Dexa, ang hula niya is snowman.
I
Ito.
think it's gonna be the elves.
It's snowman. Si ate naman, tong tatlong Maria. Ayan, so, okay. Ready? Count. 1, 2, 3.
I think that's right.
Nanalo si Dexa! Dexa win again! Okay. Okay, so, oh, it's different color. Wow, nanalo si Dexa. Yay! How many points you have, Dexa? 3. And then ate has 2 points. Okay, so you win pa. Okay. Okay. Yan na naman tayo. Malapit na ang Pasko. Hoy! It's December 9, guys. So, sino nakakita? Okay, saan nga? Saan? December 9. Where's December 9? Okay. So, hulaan. December 9. 9? Eto, saan ang 9? Oh, 9, there.
Wait.
Okay, first, ano sa'yo? O yan. Pili. Ano sa'yo, Dexy? Dexy, ano sa'yo?
Wait, I'm gonna see which one. Okay, the size is that. So I think it will be
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sige natin. Okay, reindeer kay Dexa. And then, ito daw kay Dexy, itong tatlong elves. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3. Buksan.
oh nobody
Oh,
wins.
nobody wins.
Let's eat.
Okay. Okay, guys. December 10. Bandit, wala pa nga eh. Okay, go. December 10. Saan? Dexa, ikaw muna. Saan? Oh, hindi nga alam ni Dexa. Hindi niya alam. Okay, come here. Saan siya dito? O, sige. Okay, ayan. 10. Okay. So, ano na? Mag-choose na kayo. 10. Tingnan mo muna yung shape niya, Dexa, para makita mo.
I already know what I am.
Dexa, what about you, Dexy? Can you share us?
I think it's this.
Ito daw kay Dexy, December 10. Okay, December 10, Dexa, ano sa'yo? Oh, choose. O, tingnan mo muna yung shape ng 10. Okay?
Sa taas. What do you think?
Ito. What do you think? Ito yung size niya, oh. Ganito siya.
What do you think?
Oh, ano sa'yo? Oh. Kay ate, ito no repetition, guys. Kay ate, ito daw. Hindi, tapos na yan kay ate, eh. Either this one ka, Dexa, kaya. Or the one. O, sige na, choose. Come on.
You open something.
No, it's not. Nag-agalaw lang. So, sige. Come on. Okay, so yun kay Dexa. Ito. Okay, open. 1, 2, 3. 10. 10.
Yeah.
Ano? Sino nanalo? O, patay, Dexa. Buksan mo muna, Dexa. Let's see. Okay. So, ayan, Dexy. Patingin. Ayan. So cute. Can you see that? Ayan si Dexa.
Daddy, go
Go!
back.
Saan? December 11. Ayan. So, tingnan mo na yung shape kung ano siya. December 11.
Let me place.
Okay. Shape. Ikaw, anong sayo? O, Dexa, ikaw muna. December 11. What's the shape? Okay. O, ikaw na. Guest. Dexa, dito yung sayo. Ba't andyan ka? O, ano yung gusto mo dyan? Ano yung sa tingin mo?
Use other examples.
Okay.
I think this.
So, sa December 11, eto yung choice ni Dexa. Okay. Si ate naman, saan?
Yung may kulay naman.
Okay, si ate naman yung tatlo na bilog.
Yung may kulay.
Kulay. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ate win! Na, nakadalawa na si ate today. Hey, Dexa, stop! That's not good. Hurting ate is not good. Dexa, stop. Nakikita ka sa vlog. Oh my God. So, nanalo si ate. Ito. Okay. Gulo mo, Dexa.
Found it!
Anong found it?
This, I found it, look!
Where?
12.
Here!
Okay, 12.
Halfway to Christmas.
Halfway to Christmas. December 12.
Alright, what do you think?
Okay, what do you think?
Yeah, ako, Mommy.
So, ito daw ang bet nilang dalawa. So, sige,
wait,
pagbibigyan natin.
wait.
Ang 12.
Wait, I can't give the Santa actually.
Actually, ano, magsaswitch ako. You can have that. I'll have Santa. Or you want Santa?
Oo,
Which
parang
one do you want?
mahaba eh.
Santa or the icicle?
Mahaba
Wait,
ang 12.
I can see.
Santa or the icicle? Which one do you like?
Mahaba ang 12, guys.
Icicle?
So, ang icicle is this one. This one.
Icicle.
Okay.
Gusto ko Santa din. Pero mag-Santa.
Okay, sige. Magsanta na lang daw si ate.
Evelyn.
Okay, sige na. Para manalo siya. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Mahaba to eh. Ah! Tama! Macy, guys, Macy. Ay, ang cute na kanilang dalawang ano pa pangalan na to? Sabi niya, icicle. Okay. Ayan, so nasa December 13 na kami dito sa Lent Adventure Calendar nila. So, ito yung mga laman this year. Kaya ang laman. So, ayan. So, Dexa, come on. 13. Where's 13? December 13, guys. 13. Where's 13? Yeah.
13 days.
Saan na 13?
Day.
Where?
Day.
Turo mo ah.
Day.
Anong there? Awan di mo naman alam.
Day.
Okay, ito daw. Ang December 13. So, ano yung hula mo sa kanya?
I'm free.
Yeah, anong hula mo? So, pili ka dito kung ano dyan. Okay, pili.
Hey, don't open.
No, pili lang siya si ate. Ano sa'yo, Dexa?
Let me see what size it is.
Yeah. What size? Okay, pili. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, tatingin ko siya. Yung maliit.
Okay.
White. Okay, kay ate naman ito daw. Ito. Ay, sorry. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excited yung... Ah! 1!
Ouch! Stop!
Pangatlo na! That's no. That one is masakit daw yan, sabi ni ate. Stop it. Hindi naman kasalanan ni ate, Dexa. That's too loud. Nanalo ulit si Dexy.
Sounds like I cheated.
Okay, so, nasa December 14 na tayo, guys. Come on. December 14. What? The 14. December 14. Where's 14? First.
Day.
Okay, December 14 is here. Okay, so parang square sa Dexa. Maliit lang, ganyan lang. Oh, what do you think? Ikaw, Dexa. Ikaw naman nakakaunang pumili, Dexa. Kaya hindi nandadaya si ate. Okay. What do you think? What do you think? Ano? Dexa, come on. Decide properly or decide faster, Dexa. Okay, so yun pa din ang choice ni Dexa kasi maliit nga lang siya. Tong puti. Ikaw, ate, ano naman sa'yo?
Wait, which one did she choose?
With this one. What about you?
Ako naman.
Ganito.
Yung snowman.
Snowman daw kay Dexy. O, sige, let's try. 1, 2, 3, 14. 1, 2, 3.
Tama siya!
Tumama si Dexa! Yay! Puti ba to? Ayan siya. Dalawa siya actually. Ayan! Dexa win! So, 15 today. Nasaan kaya ang 15? Found it pero hindi mo pa nahanap.
That's it.
15. Ito daw, Daddy. 15. Yeah, 15. Okay. Okay, sige. Hulaan ko ano yung 15.
I think it's going... Okay, you
Yeah.
first. What do you want?
Dexa, first.
I need to see which one is.
Tingnan mo muna yung 15 kung ano yung tsura.
Yay.
So,
What do you think?
okay. Anong shape? Dito ka. Dito lagi. Sinatalikuran mo lagi to.
It's teddy bears.
Teddy bears, ito?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be the elves.
Si ate naman, ito.
Elves.
Ito. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We haven't seen the elves so far.
15, 15.
Ow!
Ay, oh, Dexa! That's not good! Binato ni Dexa! Dexa, that's not good. So, ito yung nakuha nila ng 15. Ngayon, nahulaan to ni Dexy. Ngayon, gagalit siya. No, not good, Dexa. Okay? Yeah, 16. So, no, we're doing 16, Dexa, not 18. December 16 tayo ngayon dito sa kanilang advent calendar. Okay.
16. What do you think 16 is gonna be?
16. Ang gulo ni Dexa kanina pa to. Okay. Okay. So, ano mo, 16. Ganito. Tingnan mo yung ano niya, size niya, Dexa. Tingnan mo,
Like
oh.
this.
Like this. Oh, malaki.
What do you think? 16?
Oh my God, malaki. Dali.
I think. Oh, I know what I mean. Okay then.
Okay.
I'll do a snowman.
Okay, snowman. And then si Dexa. Saglit,
Teddy
Dexa.
bear.
Teddy
Si Dexa,
bear.
teddy
So, teddy bear kay Dexa. Snowman na lang kay ate. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Dexa, hindi ko nakikita. Hindi ko nakikita. Okay. Wag naman, anak. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Open, open! December 16. Ayan siya, December 16. Ah! Sino yung tumama? Hindi na naman siya na. Siya naman ang unang napipili. Ang pinila niya, guys, kasi ito. Tapos si ate. Nanalo na naman si ate. Hey, Dexa, stop! Stop. Okay. Okay, tapusin na natin ang vlog. Ayan, talo siya. So, ito siya ang ganda ng ano na to. Is this snowman? No snowman to?
Snowman.
Oh, it's so cute, guys.
Ugly.
No, it's so cute. Okay. It's Sunday, December 17. So, how many days till Christmas? Alexa, how many days till Christmas?
It's 7, 8.
Alexa, how many days till Christmas? Ayan. So, ayan. So, December 17 tayo
What do you think it
ngayon.
is? What do you think?
Ito daw, December 17.
What do you think it is?
So, tingnan mo, maliit lang siya, anak ko.
Yeah, what do you think?
Ganito lang, ganito lang.
Start crying now. You're gonna lose again.
Okay.
Start crying now.
Ayan, so maliit lang siya. Piliin mo, ano? O, yan
Are
kay
you sure,
Dexa.
Nash?
Sure. Ito daw kay Dexa. Okay? Ikaw, ate. So, ito din kay ate. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 17. Ayan, tutok ko kasi mananalo si Dexa for sure. Dexa is... Dexa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Mom, I got the same ones, the same bears.
Ay, saan, saan? Okay, si Dexa, patingin. Napupuruhan. Napuruhan na. It's not your day today, Dexa. Oh my. Patingin niya sa'yo, ate. So, ang nakuha ni ate. Si Dexa ang Ay, Dexa! Yours ngayon is magkaiba. Si ate naman ngayon ang pareho. Ayan, ayan siya. Ay, dirty yan!
Alexa, stop.
Stop, Alexa! Dexa, tingnan mo yung size nito ng 18. So, December 18 kami ngayon. Ayan, December 18. At dito pa din kami sa Lent Advent Calendar ng mga kids 2023. Okay, so, hulaan mo na. Hindi, itabi nyo na kaya to kasi ilagay natin kung... Kasi kahapon pa namin to nabuksan yung mga ibang chocolates. Eh. Dito na muna. So, yan. Hulaan nyo kung ano na. Hulaan nyo. Hulaan mo. Ano dito sa'yo ulit?
Ito siyang size, Dexa. What do you think?
Okay, what do you think? O, choose ka. Itong si Dex iyak ng iyak kagabi. Okay, mag-choose ka. Ano gusto mo dyan? Come on. Choose, choose. This one. This one again. Or this one. Or this one. Okay. Okay, change. O, the teddy bear. Ano sa tingin mo? O, yun. Santa daw sa kanya. Ito kay Dexa. Ikaw. Sin Santa kay Dexa. Okay, sige. Okay, Lynn, kay ate. Ito kay ate.
Santa.
Oh, yeah, hindi. Yan yun. Parang snowman pala. Sorry. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ah!
Dexa is the winner?
Yes, Dexa is the winner! Ito yung una ng choice. Di ba ito yung una mong choice? Okay, siya winner. Ate kasi yan na una. Okay. Okay, lagay mo dito kung ayaw mong kainin, Dexa. Okay. It's time for opening their advent calendar.
Why are you drinking wine, Dada?
December 19. Okay. So, siguro hindi na kayo huhula kasi laging laging nagagalit sa iba nating vlog. So, hindi na natin hulaan kung ano yun. So, just enjoy the present that you have.
Surprise.
Okay. Wala nang maghuhula kasi the last time, laging si ate ang nakakahula and then you're
Get mad.
yeah, you're getting your mood is not good. Okay? Anyway, okay, I will count 1, 2, 3 and then you will open the 19. December 19. Okay. No more kasi pag nag-guess ni ate, nagagalit ka.
No, I'm not.
She's the one
Okay,
who
okay.
guess.
Ikaw na lang mag-guess. No more na. Si ate hindi na mag-guess.
Ate will still get.
Okay, okay. Guess na din.
I'm sure I'm not getting.
Okay, go.
Well, then we have to find.
19 first.
Then we have to
May
find.
nahulog oh. Ano yun siya?
It's okay kasi yung mga dati nilang nabuksan. Okay. Okay?
Daddy, go find it.
Okay. Okay, the 19. Oh, do you think what it is? Sige na. Ready? Anong gusto nyo? Oh, eto. Okay. What about you, Dexa?
Sheep.
Okay, anong shape niya? Patingin nga yung 19. Nasaan yung 19? So, ganito yung 19. So, it's square siya. Okay. Dexa, walaan mo.
I think it's gonna be.
Okay.
Teddy bear.
Gusto ko ng ganito.
Okay, si ate, eto. And then ikaw, teddy bear. Ayan. Okay. Ito. Okay. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Miss ko ito.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Buksan na. Ayan na. Nanalo si ate. Sorry.
But we have no points.
Okay, no points. Okay.
So could be fair.
Okay. Nakita ko na ang December 20. Nakita ko na.
I have it.
Okay, where? Nakita daw ni Dexa. Okay, hulaan na din. Hulaan time. So, dito, kapag December 20, ganito itsura niya, Dexa.
I'm gonna guess points.
Okay. Guess mo na si Dexa. Okay. 20, Dexa. Ikaw, ate. Sino mo na manghula?
Me. Hey.
Okay. Sige na, igaganyan ko.
Let me see.
Ano din ang hula mo, Dexa? Okay. Okay. Teddy bear kay Dexa. Ito. Ikaw, Dexy. Hula mo.
Yung snowman dati. But it's parang sobrang haba.
Ay, hindi basehan yan. Kasi minsan depende sa ano
Wait,
niya.
I wanna try.
Kung minsan dalawa yung nilalagay nila. Okay.
I'm gonna try again.
Okay then. Ano?
That's the goes.
Oh, sige. Oh, nasaan dito? Nanghuhula. Nanghuhula, sobrang competition niya. Okay. Okay, ikaw ate.
Did we do 15?
Sit down to properly. Sit down. Okay.
Did we do
Okay.
15 yet?
Okay. Tapos na ang 15. We're already in the 20.
Okay, it's those people. So I think
It's the same. Oh, nang ano ka na.
it's the people.
Okay, sige na. It's the people.
The L.
Okay. Ito daw kay ito daw kay Dexa. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! Pangilang, walang nakahula sa inyo pang ilan na to. Patingin, Dexa! Ito pa din. Oy, kinain ko to kaninang umaga. Yeah, andun nakalagay dun eh. Or else that one is last year or yung binili natin.
Yeah, I saw
Okay.
Mama eat it. I saw Mama eat it.
Okay. Okay, yun ang 21. Nakita ko ng 21. Hula na! Okay. 1, 2, 3. Nasaan ang 21? Found it. Mga nakita. One. Oh, ito na, 21. Okay, ate, 21 nakita na ni ading mo. So, ano din ang hula niya kung anong laman niya? So, yeah. So,
I take it that.
so anong sa'yo? So, anong hula nyo, guys? 21 na tayo, December 21. Iakit mo nga yung headband, Dexa, please. Okay. So, si Dexa, ang hula niya ito. Ayan.
Might be the bears.
Okay, si Dexy naman the bears. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Nobody.
Nobody? Nobody! Ay! Dexa! Let's see. Dexa! Dexa, please, give me. Mamaya, gawa tayo dun. Okay, give me. Oh, ito, nakuha ni Dexa. Ayan na, nakuha niya. Ayan. Yung mga magaganda itsura nila ng mga tao. Okay. Ayan, hanap-hanap tayo ng December 22. Dexa, hanapin mo na. Nakita ko na. Ayan, nakita ko na nga din. Ayan, so parang maliit lang siya, yung 22. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan. So, ayan, hulaan nyo na guys kung ano laman. So, mostly ata nakita na ng mga bata. Ito, munsan dito. Ito, meron na din sang ganinang ganito at saka ito. So, meron din tong malaki. I think nakuha na nila to. Okay, hula time, Dexa. Kung ano laman. Dexa, hula time muna para makita na natin siya. Okay? Dexa, hula time. Giant Mine 22. Come on.
So I think it's gonna be the teddy bear.
O, teddy bear kay Dexa.
I'm gonna restart.
Okay. Ano yung sa'yo?
I think it's gonna be...
Teddy bear still.
Okay, si Dexy, etong candy.
I still want teddy bear.
O, teddy bear pa din sa kanya. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
nobody.
16, 17, 18.
Nobody.
Saan? Ikaw. Di ba?
No.
Ano ba yun sa'yo?
This one, the teddy.
I see. Pero yung nakuha nila is land pa din. Can I say that one, ate? Ay! So, eto pa din. So, ang daming ganito. No. Yeah, daming ganitong binigay nila guys sa kanilang advent calendar this year. Para napansin ko. Okay. So, sige. Busy si Dex sa paggawa ng kanyang village. Ayan, advent calendar, December. Saan? Ayan, 23. Okay. So, hula time, Dexa. Dexa! Intindihin muna natin to, Dexa.
23.
Okay, where's 23? Come here, then. Come here. Show, Mami. 1, 2, 3.
23.
Okay.
23.
Okay, eto, December 23. Open mo na.
No! Yes.
Oh, guess pala. Sorry naman. So, guess. Guess time.
Yes. Time. Yes. Time.
Guess time, Dexy.
Yes. Time. Yes. Time. Yes.
Dexy, Dexa, ikaw na mag-guess na. Sige na,
Okay. Wait. 23. 23. That's oh, big. It's a big
Bear.
Big bear. It's a big bear.
Okay, guess mo na. So, ito yung guess ni Dexa.
Wait, this one.
O, bear, and then ikaw, Dexy.
Okay.
Okay. O, sige. So, dito kay Dexy, ito kay Dexa. Okay. Open now. 23. Woo! Dexa is right. So, ito yun. Hold a second. So, ito yung magandang bear ang nakuha nila. Sa December 23 nila. So, isa na lang guys. We're done with your advent calendar. Isa na lang. Ayan, December 24 na tayo. Ito daw yun.
I'm gonna guess first.
Okay, si Dexa na ang mag-guess. Oh, mahaba siya, guys.
I already know what it is because
Santa. Santa.
yeah, it's Santa.
No, you have to guess a different one.
Wala nang nag-guess sa kanila kasi nakita daw ni
icicle
Dexy.
We already got the icicle.
Yeah. So, I think they have only one icicle and one Santa. So most of it ata is 24 is Santa, guys.
Yeah.
So we will not, next year, we will not guess. Kasi alam natin ang 24 is Santa. So ito yung Santa na yun na makukuha nila. But we will show you guys kung ano itsura niya. Okay, open, Dexa. Ayan. Ha? Hindi naman 24 eh. 21 yan. Loloko mo ako. 24, Dexa. Ito yun. Dexa, open it. Ayan yung kay ate. Oh, ate, Messi yours. Ayan yung kay ate. Okay. Okay, open this one, Dexa. Open your 24. Dexa. Okay, so we're doing the 24. So open mo na, Dexa. Come on. Come on. Okay, here, this one.
It's so
24. Ayan. Okay. Okay, open. Wow! Ito siya. Okay.
Santa good. It can eat me. I can
Gawa
eat
natin.
Santa.
Tingnan natin lahat ang nakuha nyo mamaya. Okay? So, this one is the December 24. So, ito yan. Okay? So, we're done, guys, with our Advent Calendar 2023.
The whole Advent calendar?
So, tapos na kami.
The whole one?
Yeah, we're good.
Let me
Tapos
just
na.
double check.
Okay, di-double check mo. Double check mo, Dexa. Nag-double check pa daw siya. Diyos ko, hindi siya makapaniwala. Nakatapos sila ng 24 days before Christmas. Yan yung sinabi ko sa'yo, ate, you can open that one so that you can see it. So, ayan. So, tapos na kasi yung mga bata. So, makikita na, i-open na namin to. So, okay. Pagtapos na, para ma-double check nyo kung nakuha lahat ng mga kids yung chocolate. Ayan. So, pwede nyo tanggalin to. At makita nila kung ano pa yung mga...
To me!
Yung hindi nila nabuksan. Ayan.
What happened to
Nabuksan
mine?
nila pero kinose lang nila kasi hindi naman nila kinain agad.
What happened to
Ayan.
mine?
So, yan yung sa'yo, Dexa. So, everything is gone. O, wala namang nahulog dito. So, ayan ang kanilang December 1 to 24 sa ato nilang Advent Calendar. Tapos na yan, anak ko. Everything is good. Andito na lahat. So, ayan. Magagawa daw sila ng village. Yan.
This is my village.
Okay. So, patingin ng village mo.
Where's my other?
Ayan siya. Kay Dexy.
Where's my other one? I had one more.
Okay, kay Dexa. Ito naman. Kay Dexa. Hold a second. So, ito naman kay Dexa.
Took mine.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. May
girl.
nagbilangan pa.
Oh yeah, no, it's this one.
Okay. Enjoy, guys, your chocolate! Okay, yan. Nagkanya-kanya na sila ng pwesto. Yan na. Kompleto pa. So, si ate, hindi naman niya kinakain pag binubuksan. Pinapakita niya lang kasi nga, ni-reserve niya daw. Gusto niyang ganituhin. What about you? What about you, Dexa? O yan, naglalagay na ulit si Dexa dito. Oh. Balik sabi ko, ilagay nila ulit para at least kapag gusto niya nang kumain, kitang-kita naman nila yung kukunin nila. Yan. Okay. Enjoy, guys. That's all. Okay, bye everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Okay, busy na sila sa pag-ayos ng chocolate nila. Bye!